Ever felt like you're missing out on the crypto revolution because getting your money into the crypto world feels like navigating a labyrinth? You've heard the stories, the incredible gains, the decentralized future, but then you hit the wall. How do I actually buy this stuff with my regular, everyday bank account? If you've ever found yourself asking that question, you're in the right place. Forget those complicated P2P transactions, the endless fees, or the anxiety of sharing your personal info with strangers. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you the simplest, most direct way to jump into the crypto market in Canada, using a bank transfer on Newton. We're going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, from setting up your account to making your very first crypto purchase. We'll cover everything from linking your bank to understanding funding limits, and even touch on what to do if you encounter a snag along the way. By the end of this video, you'll be confident and ready to make your first crypto move, directly from your bank account. No more excuses, no more confusion. Just straightforward, accessible crypto buying. So, let's dive in. Our platform of choice today is Newton, a Canadian-based cryptocurrency exchange that prides itself on simplicity, security, and low fees. They're a fantastic option for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering a clean interface and, most importantly for our purposes today, seamless bank transfers. Step 1. Setting up your Newton account, the foundation. Before we can even think about moving money, you need a Newton account. If you don't have one already, head over to newton.co. I'll put the link in the description below. The sign-up process is fairly standard for a financial platform. You'll need to provide your email address, create a strong password, and then go through their identity verification process. This verification, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer, is a crucial step. It might feel a bit intrusive, but it's a legal requirement for all regulated financial institutions, including crypto exchanges. It helps prevent fraud and money laundering, making the entire ecosystem safer for everyone. Typically, you'll be asked for some personal information like your full name, address, and date of birth. You'll also likely need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport, and sometimes even a selfie to confirm your identity. Newton aims to make this process as smooth as possible, often using automated verification that can take just a few minutes. However, in some cases, it might require manual review, which could take a bit longer. Don't fret if it's not instant, just be patient and make sure the photos of your documents are clear and well lit. Once your account is verified, you're ready for the next crucial step. Step 2. Linking your bank account, the bridge to crypto. This is where the magic really begins. With your Newton account verified, it's time to connect your bank account. On the Newton platform, you'll look for a section typically labeled Funding, Deposit, or Add Funds. Within that section, you should see options for different deposit methods. We're specifically looking for Interac e-Transfer or bank transfer. Newton primarily uses Interac e-Transfer for bank deposits, which is incredibly common and convenient in Canada. When you select the e-Transfer option, Newton will provide you with specific instructions. These instructions are critical, so pay close attention. They'll typically include a unique email address. This is the recipient email for your e-Transfer. It's not a regular Newton support email, it's specifically generated for your deposit. A unique security question. This is crucial for the e-Transfer to be accepted by Newton. A unique security answer. This is the answer you'll provide to the security question. It's absolutely vital that you copy these details exactly as Newton provides them. Even a small typo in the email address or a slight variation in the security question/answer can cause your transfer to fail or be delayed significantly. Step 3. Initiating the bank transfer from your bank. Now, switch over to your online banking portal or mobile banking app. You'll initiate an Interac e-Transfer just as you would send money to a friend or family member. Select Send Interac e-Transfer. Add a new recipient. Use the unique email address provided by Newton. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Be mindful of Newton's minimum and maximum deposit limits, which they will clearly display on their funding page. It's always a good idea to start with a smaller amount for your first transfer to ensure everything goes smoothly. Set the security question and answer. This is the most critical part. You must use the exact security question and answer provided by Newton. Do not make up your own. Newton's automated system relies on these specific details to identify and process your deposit. Add a message, optional but recommended. While not strictly necessary, adding a note like Newton deposit, your name, can be helpful for your own records. Confirm and send the transfer. Double-check all the details one last time before hitting that send button. Once you send the e-transfer, your bank will process it. Interac e-transfers are generally very fast, often arriving within minutes, but sometimes they can take up to 30 minutes or even a few hours, especially during peak times or if your bank has a slight delay. Step 4. Receiving confirmation and funding your Newton account. Back on the Newton platform, you won't need to do anything immediately after sending the e-transfer. Newton's system will automatically detect and process your incoming funds based on the unique email and security question/answer you used. You will receive a notification from Newton once your deposit has been successfully credited to your account. This notification might come via email or as an in-app message. You can also check your Newton account balance to see the updated funds. Once the funds appear in your Newton CAD balance, you're officially ready to buy crypto. Step 5. Buying crypto with your newly deposited funds. With your CAD balance funded, the exciting part begins. Navigate to the Trade or Buy/Sell section on Newton. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Newton offers a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and many more. Browse through their list and choose the one that aligns with your investment goals. Enter the amount you wish to spend. You can enter the amount in CAD, and Newton will automatically calculate the equivalent amount of crypto you'll receive based on the current market price. Alternatively, you can enter the amount of crypto you want to buy, e.g., 0.01 BTC, and it will show you the CAD equivalent. Review your order. Before confirming, Newton will display a summary of your trade, including the amount of CAD you're spending, the amount of crypto you'll receive, and any associated fees. Newton is known for its low fees, often touting zero trading fees, but they do incorporate a spread into the price, so the price you see is generally the price you get. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.